Hi, today I'm going to show you how you could spin up a website really quickly with Astra and Astra Premium Sites. Now, Astra Premium Sites comes with Astra Agency, which is a paid subscription, but to be honest, if you're just starting out, you can actually use Astra and Astra Basic Sites. You're just going to get a lot less options than you'll see here. All right, normally I would also advise not to use, boilerplate templated site, especially if you're building for your own clients, but there are instances where it might be beneficial for you. Like if you're a new designer who's just trying to learn site structure and get some basic ideas, or if you're looking for inspiration, or if you're a small business or DIYer and you really don't have the bandwidth, time, or budget to really dive in and build a professional site, then I'd say, hey, sometimes it's better to get something up there. And these templates are actually pretty decent, but again, with them being rolled out to so many people, it's going to be a little cookie cutter unless you really dive in and make them super custom. But they still serve their purpose, and I'm going to show you how to use them. All right. So what I did is I logged into my Astra subscription account and downloaded the Premium Sites zip file, and I actually uploaded that first. So if you're not doing that, I'm going to actually do a video going over like basics, like how to add a plugin, how to add a theme, things of that sort. But right now I'm assuming you already know that. All right, so once it's in there, I highly recommend activating the license as well. And then once you do that, you can actually go to Appearance, Astra Sites. All right, so here it says select your favorite page builder. There's Elementor and Beaver Builder. I personally use Elementor, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that and see what they've got for me. All right, so you can filter by category. The free ones are actually, I believe, the ones that come with the free version, the basic sites. Other than that, though, there's more premium template options. And these all work with Elementor, but it's important to note that they don't necessarily require Elementor Pro. So what they've done, to make it more accessible is they're using Contact Form 7 for the forms. In my case, I would recommend, if you're using Elementor and you have Pro, to go ahead and update the forms to Elementor Pro forms. I just think that it's, more consistent and will give you a better experience. With that said, what they provide is decent too, and again, another option. Or if you don't have Elementor Pro, then you might want to stick with Contact Form 7 or your other favorite, WordPress form. It's all up to you. Okay, so you can actually go ahead and click on these and see previews of sites. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. It kind of catches my attention. All right. So honestly, this is pretty decent looking. And it has all the pages built in. So in this case, I guess the portfolio. And I'll just show you a couple more. I'm not going to go through all of these. Pretty nice, right? Now, I also want to go ahead and show you guys what they look like. They have been optimized for tablet and for mobile. It's pretty cool. All right. Let's say we like this, but we want to see what else there is. Let's just go ahead and cycle through a few more. This one makes me really hungry. Probably not a good fit for this project, let's just say. Let's keep on looking. All right. This is decent. And again, these are pretty premium looking. Like I said, they're not going to replace professional design, but they serve their purpose well. All right, let's say I like this one. Actually, I'm going to go on to another one or two because there's some templates that I want to show you that are a little different. So most of them actually use Astra Pro and just the basic non-pro version of Elementor. But this one has got also features from Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor, which I've installed. And this one actually is not using Contact Form 7, which I thought was interesting, because most of them are. But in this case, I guess what you're going to want to do in all these options is to make sure that you have the plugins active, because you won't be able to hit import the site until you do. All right, so once you're ready, you'd hit import this site, and what it's going to do is transport the site and its media to your actual site. So I'm going to go ahead and click it and just show you. It has a warning. It says, executing demo will make your site similar as ours. Please bear in mind it's intended to run on fresh WordPress install. Importing doesn't delete pages. However, it can overwrite your existing content. And then again, copyrighted media will not be imported. So again, there are cases where you get placeholders instead of the actual media that you see in the template. But again, they're really simple to, adapt and put your own content and copy into. All right. So with that said, that's basically how you do it. I'm not going to go ahead and do it because this is a test environment I use, but it's pretty straightforward. I think it's pretty awesome. It's super efficient. And again, if you're just starting out or you need something quick, this is a great place to start. All right. Thank you for your time.